Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes Canada step by step. Gather your T4, receipts, and SIN before you start. First, choose NetFile software or a certified tax app for online filing. Keep organized folders for income, deductions, and credits, and input totals carefully. Double-check entries like RRSP contributions and tuition amounts, and reconcile any missing slips before submission to avoid delays or reassessment. In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes Canada step by step. Start by assembling income slips such as T4, T5, and any self-employment records. Scan or photograph receipts for medical, childcare, and work-related expenses for easy upload. Enter RRSP contributions and tuition amounts accurately, and keep your notice of assessment from last year handy to carry forward unused credits or amounts. This reduces errors and speeds processing. In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes Canada step by step. Open your chosen certified software and create a profile with your SIN and personal details. Fill in income lines, claim eligible deductions like moving or employment expenses, and apply non-refundable credits such as basic personal amount. Carefully review totals, validate the return inside the app, then submit via NetFile or print, sign, and mail if you prefer paper filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.